What if the world went dark tomorrow? Would you be ready? From radiation detectors to portable power stations, these survival gadgets are built for the unexpected. Today on Trek Gear, we're counting down doomsday gadgets every serious prepper should carry. Trust me, you don't want to face chaos without these in your kit. Let's dive in. This might look like your average camping blanket, but it's a tactical lifesaver in disguise. The Arcturus outdoor survival blanket combines thermal mylar on one side to reflect your body heat with a durable polyethylene backing that's waterproof and windproof. Unlike those crinkly foil blankets, this one's reusable, tear-resistant, and built to last. You can use it as a sleeping bag liner, a ground tarp, an improvised shelter, or even to signal rescuers thanks to its reflective surface. It packs small, weighs under 1.5 pounds, and is essential for surviving hypothermia when temps drop without warning. Lighters fail, matches get wet. But this beast of a fire starter, it sparks in any condition. The Uberleben Zünden. Ferro rod is made from a special ferrocerium blend that showers sparks at over 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, even in snow, rain, or high altitude. It's got a handcrafted hardwood handle for grip, a multi-tool striker with hex wrench and bottle opener, and it lasts for up to 20,000 strikes. This is the kind of gear that turns wet kindling into a roaring fire when your life depends on it. It's small, reliable, and a must-have in any serious prepper's kit. This isn't just an axe, it's your backcountry workhorse. The Gerber Bushcraft Axe has a forged carbon steel head that holds a razor-sharp edge, plus a hammer on the reverse for pounding steaks or cracking bones. But here's the wild part. It hides a waterproof gear stash inside the handle. Store your fire starting kit, paracord, or fishing line in there, and keep it bone dry no matter the weather. The rubber grip ensures control even when wet, and the whole thing's balanced for efficient swings. In a doomsday scenario, mosquito bites aren't just annoying, they're dangerous. The Nitecore EMR-10 is a pocket-sized mosquito repeller with military-level performance. It combines ultrasonic waves and a heated pad that diffuses mosquito repellent to create a 10-foot bug-free zone. No sprays, no smoke, no mess. It's USB-C rechargeable, lasts up to 12 hours, and even includes a power bank mode to juice up your other gear. Whether you're off-grid in a humid jungle or holding down a bug-out shelter, this gadget keeps disease-carrying insects off your skin and out of your survival equation. When the grid's gone, your gadgets still need juice. And the Elecom Nest Out has your back. This 15,000 mAh outdoor power bank isn't just tough, it's modular and weatherproof. Built for serious terrain, it pairs with accessories like a tripod mount or LED lantern, and its detachable solar panels let you recharge in full sun. You get fast USB-C charging, built-in waterproofing, and enough capacity to keep your GPS, flashlight, or satellite phone alive when it really counts. EMP, solar flare, digital surveillance, no problem. The Mission Darkness Odin Guard Faraday backpack is the ultimate bug-out bag for digital protection. Its interior is lined with Faraday fabric that blocks Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, RFID, and even cell signals. That means your gear stays invisible and protected from hacking or electromagnetic pulses. With a 40-liter capacity, MOLLE webbing, and detachable pouches, it's made for tactical use. Whether you're going dark or shielding delicate electronics from a grid-killing blast, this backpack does more than carry gear. It defends it. In a true emergency, professional help could be hours or days away. That's where the SurvivorMD Emergency First Aid Kit comes in. This isn't your basic Band-Aid box. It's a full-scale trauma response kit packed with over 200 essential items, including tourniquets, Israeli bandages, splints, burn treatments, and even a CPR mask. Everything is organized by injury type in a rugged, waterproof case that opens flat for quick access. Whether it's a broken limb, deep laceration, or life-threatening bleed, this kit turns you into your own first responder when it really matters. When satellites are your only lifeline, the Garmin Montana 700i is the GPS you want in your pack. This isn't just a map. It's a full survival command center It offers global Iridium satellite communication for two-way texting and SOS alerts through inReach, even when cell service disappears. The glove-friendly touchscreen is big, bright, and rugged, and topo maps and weather forecasts help you navigate no matter the terrain. Clean water is non-negotiable in a survival scenario. The Tommy Lee Lightwater Purifier is a next-gen solution that purifies any freshwater source with just the power of light. Using advanced UVC LED technology, it eliminates 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, without filters, chemicals, or boiling. Simply dip, activate, and drink. It's USB-C, rechargeable, ultra-compact, and can purify up to 1 liter at a time, making it perfect for hiking, bug-out bags, or post-disaster water treatment. In a world where safe water isn't guaranteed, this is your portable purification vault. When the lights go out for good, the Vitaman Flash Speed 300 keeps your essentials alive. This compact but powerful portable power station packs 300 watts of output, with multiple USB ports, AC outlets, and even a car socket. But what really sets it apart? It recharges from 0 to 100% in under an hour. That's fast enough to top up before nightfall hits. Pair it with solar panels and you've got an off-grid survival setup that powers radios, phones, LED lights. If Mad Max had a hatchet, it'd be this. The KOVEA Survival Thorn Hatchet is forged for extreme survival, with a high carbon steel blade, curved spine for slicing, and aggressive angle for chopping. This isn't your average bush tool. It's compact yet weighted for serious striking force, and the full tang design means it won't break under pressure. Bonus: it comes with a Kydex sheath for safe carry and quick draw. Whether you're clearing brush, splitting wood, or defending your camp, this tool screams readiness, and it's built to last in the wildest conditions. In survival, every ounce counts, and the SOG ParaShears pack 12 emergency tools into one ultra-lightweight device. Designed specifically for medics and first responders, it includes trauma shears, a seatbelt cutter, tweezers, a glass breaker, oxygen wrench, and more. But here's the kicker. It folds down to fit in your pocket and weighs just over 5 ounces. Forget those tiny green canisters. This is the propane tank every prepper needs. The Flame King YSNVT301 is a refillable 1-pound propane cylinder designed to save money, reduce waste, and keep your camp stove or heater fueled in the long haul. It's DOT certified, made from heavy-duty steel, and built to handle rugged use. The best part? It comes with an easy refill kit that connects to standard 20-pound tanks so you can recharge it off-grid. Whether you're boiling water or running a portable heater in your shelter, this tank gives you heat and cooking power. On repeat. No batteries, no flames, just light when you need it most. GlowMind Emergency. Glow sticks are an old-school survival staple with a modern twist. They last 12 hours, are non-toxic, waterproof, and come in bulk packs for the whole family. Use them for navigation, signaling, or just staying visible in total darkness. Snap and shake, and you've got instant illumination. They're also cold-resistant and safe for kids, making them perfect for blackouts, car kits, or emergency shelters. When you can't risk power failure, these glow sticks shine, literally. Crafted for the woods but forged for survival, the Council Tool Woodcraft Axe is a high-performance beast that belongs in every bug-out bag. With a 24-inch American hickory handle and a 2-pound 5160 steel head, it delivers power and precision in one swing. But this isn't just for chopping wood. Its hardened pole lets you hammer stakes or crush bone, and the curved edge bites deep with every strike. It comes with a premium leather sheath and is built in the USA for backcountry durability. If you're building shelter, processing game, or clearing debris, this axe is your best friend. One extinguisher, all fires. That's the promise of the FireXO Mini, and it delivers. This compact lifesaver handles every major fire class: wood, grease, gas, electrical, even lithium battery fires. It's small enough to fit in your pack, but powerful enough to stop disaster in its tracks. With a non-toxic, biodegradable formula and easy trigger spray, anyone can use it, even in high-stress situations. Whether you're cooking off-grid, warming your shelter, or dealing with rogue sparks, bug bites nights can turn nasty fast, but the Metasana IB100 turns the tables. This pocket-sized device uses focused heat therapy to neutralize mosquito, wasp, or tick bites within seconds. Just press it to the skin, and a short burst of controlled heat reduces itching, swelling, and allergic reactions. Without chemicals or creams. It runs on batteries, is small enough to fit in your pocket, and works on adults and kids alike. In a collapse scenario, one wrong step can lead to a serious injury, and Skatewiz knee and elbow pads are here to prevent that. These aren't your cheap plastic pads. They're made with heavy-duty EVA foam, reinforced impact shells, and adjustable straps for a snug, secure fit. Whether you're biking, climbing debris, or navigating rocky trails, these pads absorb shock and protect your joints from falls or impact. Lightweight, breathable, and built to last, they keep you moving safely when the terrain turns unforgiving. Because staying mobile is everything when it's time to bug out. When you rely on two wheels to get out of Dodge, a flat tire is more than an inconvenience. It's a threat. The ProBike Tool Mini Pump is the compact solution for keeping your bug-out bike rolling. Weighing just 3.5 ounces, it fits in your bag or mounts directly to your bike frame. It's made from CNC machined aluminum, works with both Presta and Schrader valves, and inflates up to 100 psi. Whether you're escaping the city or riding back roads to safety, this pump ensures your escape route doesn't deflate when you need it most. That wraps up our list of 20 Doomsday survival gadgets every prepper should carry. Hit that like button if you found something new, and subscribe to Trek Gear for more survival gear and off-grid essentials, because in the end, the best plan is one you can carry.